Indicted on 2 counts of aggravated murder, it seems Joseph Sagdal is going for the government's plea agreement. It was in December of last year near the Himlani apartments in Harmon. Sagdal, a shooting instructor, claims he was hit in the face with a slingshot for unknown reasons. He chased down his attackers with his gun in hand. Shots fired, bullets hitting and killing Brokey Thamaso and A.V. Mwarecheong.
Yes, he did commit something, but it was forced upon him to commit that crime.
William Shuttner says Sagdal is his future son-in-law.
It's a very stressful situation.
He walked out of the courthouse Tuesday morning clearly upset.
He's innocent. They shot him. What would you do if you got shot in the face?
Sagdal has been detained for nearly a year, held on a $500,000 cash bail.
I feel that he's being railroaded by the government. It's not right. We got people that did murder and they're still out at their house pending their appeal. They wouldn't even let him out, even with Mr. Lujan's help of putting the bail money up.
Defense attorney David Lujan made repeated attempts to get his client out of jail. The court has since denied his motion to post property in lieu of the $500,000 cash bail.
We would have put up our house, our land, even the mother would have put up their house and land to help him, but it's not enough. But with Mr. Lujan's help, it was more than enough. We don't know what happened.
Specifics of the plea deal have not yet been made public. Shuttner, however, shares the few details he's learned.
They're offering him a plea deal so he can get out of jail within 10 years or something. And that's not right, because anybody in their right mind would rather take the plea deal than spend the rest of their life behind bars. They're offering up a plea agreement for manslaughter. If they're going to have a plea agreement for him for manslaughter, then he must be innocent. So why would you even consider manslaughter if you know it's murder?
Sagdal has since asserted self-defense. He also gave a written statement to police admitting, quote, "I felt as though I shouldn't have used my gun in this situation, but I was afraid for my life. I regret not resolving this another way." So why take the government's deal instead of fighting it at trial?
He would have a chance to come out and see the rest of his life. This boy was going to college and everything else, you know.
Shutter hopes it's ultimately a good deal for Sagdal. He's back in court Thursday morning for his change of plea hearing. Reporting for Guam's News Network, Guahusinik Delgado.